So let's start our practical part. So friends, today I am going to demonstrate you that how a new entry of any company in the market affect the existing player market share. Friends, equity market is the most dynamic market, and equity market cannot be understood overnight. It takes a lot of year to understand equity market, and as per my opinion, even one life is not enough to understand equity market. And the chapter which is going on is equity. So definitely you must be excited to know how equity market fluctuates, how equity market rise and fall. There are many reasons of equity market fluctuation practically. And when we are saying practically, then much depends on demand and supply. So I am giving you one case study on this topic, how a new company can affect existing market value of an existing player. Yes friends, I am talking about TVS Motor and Ola Motor. This is an old case study, but definitely it will help you to build your concept. All the case studies given are old, but you can relate it with the future events. If such things will happen in future also, then you can relate it more easily. Stock is falling because of an upcoming Ola electric bike. Many stock traders are on the belief that it could be a game changer for Ola stock. Means if Ola bike will come in the market, then the monopoly which TVS is having will definitely be affected. Ola is launching electric bike, and it may be noted that India's petrol prices are rising. So the best vehicle for common and middle class people will be electric vehicle. So you can see the bike. Definitely many of our students must have this bike. So please let me know what are the reviews of this bike, how you are enjoying while riding this bike. So it has a very good speed also, good charging capacity also. It can last up to 120 to 150 kilometer. That's really very good. They have built a factory in Tamil Nadu. So they are investing very big amount in this segment. But TVS Motor share price is falling. This is a screenshot, very old screenshot. Don't relate today's current price with this screenshot. This is just a case study, and you should take it as a case study. Fine, sir. So Ola will become two-wheeler maker with a new electric scooter plant in Tamil Nadu, where it is investing 2400 crore. A very good investment amount. Anand Mahindra praises Ola electric scooter after it gets 1 lakh bookings in 24 hours. 1 lakh booking in 24 hours, huge demand is coming, and that's why TVS share price is falling. Ola S1 electric scooter launched with few car-like features. Some features are also similar to one which we normally used to get in car. 1 lakh booking in 24 hours, definitely a huge response. And 120 to 150 kilometer is the capacity of battery. It can last up to 150 kilometer. That's really very good. So this bike is going to lead the market as per this news, as per this estimation. So friends, what I just wanted to say you, because my chapter is equity, so I am not here to say whether you should buy electric vehicle or you should buy petrol vehicle. I am not here to say that. I am just here to say that due to this event, the market value of existing player is falling, and definitely as an equity expert you must know all these news, because it will help you to enhance your knowledge and to frame your decision in future. So friends, I hope you like this presentation, and definitely we will keep on giving you knowledge so that you get both the side of our class. One is conceptual and one is practical. Thank you so much.